It's Billie's Vlogs. Good morning, guys. Morning. I am feeling really sick this morning. It is just going on to 8 o'clock and I still haven't edited my vlog for yesterday, so forgive me if it was late. So I'm gonna get on to that now and I'll talk to you after a while. It's a bit hard for me to talk, but it's Vlogmas. I can't believe that didn't take me long, as I said, editing that vlog. So I'm up in the bathroom now. Not that I wasn't upstairs in the first place. I'm in the bathroom now, I'm washing my face. Mum is coming back to collect me, to bring me to college. She just bringing her friend's daughter to school, so she's gonna come back and drop me down to course. I reckon I might finish a little bit early today. Oh, it's a job, so I don't feel well. And I don't want to keep complaining about it. I'm going to wash my face now. So right now what I'm going to do is just tidy my room a bit so it's not crazy messy when I come back. It is quite messy. And then I'm going to go down and make myself a cup of tea and some scrambled egg. And then I'm going to wait, obviously, for Mum to collect me. She is probably going to be back around 9:20, so I kind of have a bit of time. It's 9:45 now, so it won't take me 5 minutes to tidy my room, and it definitely won't take 10 minutes to have my breakfast. And I just hope that this vlog exports. So I'll just leave you guys here, put you on a time lapse and just do my room. Because that's the entertainment you're going to get today. And I've put my headband on. The room looks somewhat of decent now than it did 5 minutes ago. Turn off my big light. I'm gonna turn off all the lights in my room and my TV. So put these away. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do that because I might come back upstairs with my breakfast because of my vlog exporting. I want it to be up in time. Just looking in the viewfinder, guys, in case it's blurry. I need a bit of air in my room today. It's so stuffy in here. I don't mind if it gets cold for a while, because it's not the cold that gives you a cold, it's the virus. And I'm just finishing off my breakfast, as you can see in my mouth. I'm going to go now and go to college. I'm not able. Bye. Welcome back, guys. I haven't vlogged since I've got home. It's 5:15 now in the evening. I left course a little bit early today, about 45 minutes early, because I just wasn't feeling up for learning, and I thought that if I stayed there any longer I could just cough and cough and cough, so I didn't want to distract anyone in class. Anyways, I'm going to go downtown now, wrap myself up good and warm, to go down and see the Coca Cola truck that has came to Ballina today. It's here since 2:30 and it is here until 8:30, so I'm going to go down and meet Kate, and hopefully I get a few clips of that, and that will make up for my lack of vlogging today. I might wear this jacket, or did Mum wash it? Yeah, I think Mum washed it. Oh no, she didn't. Yeah, I might wear this jacket too. She's just getting on my nerves. So is this the cue to see the truck?
This is cute to get the picture with it.
Ah. standing in the queue. Look at the size of this queue. It is massive. But we're going standing in the queue now to go and take a picture. I think that's what we're going to do. Sorry I'm out of focus, but yeah, so this is going to be cool and it doesn't look real. Happy holidays. We're getting a little bit closer now to the truck. There's a sign I think over here somewhere that says half an hour wait. 30 minutes away, guys. 30 minutes away. Hi guys, I'm here with my best friend. My big bottle of Coke. And now we're at the giant door. Well actually we're not there yet, we're like here. Now there we go. The door is here. This is the side of the door. There's a little Christmas tree beside it. When I say little, I mean little like. It's only about that much bigger than me. We're at the entrance nearly. We want to get Kate pressing the holidays button. Go. What happened? Is this Santa's door they took out of the North Pole? We've got some reindeers. The back of Kate's head. Hello. These beautiful specimens of bottles and reindeers. And therefore over here. Wait guys, we're at the Santa sleigh.
Hi guys.
Yeah. We've got little cans of Coca Cola, the little mini ones, 150 mils. So we're gonna enjoy this. Sorry, girl. Hi. Hiya. The reason why I'm getting so tight is because like there's loads of people who don't want to get in.
That was fast.
That was quick. You see now, we just got our pictures taken. Oh, it's all zoomed in. We'll have to watch this clip on the way back.
If you could please wait behind me.
Yeah? Still very organised. Santa. So we're now standing in line waiting for crepe. It's cup and crepes. We're going to get a marshmallow one, Nutella one I think. That Coke was quite gassy. We got our pick. We've only one picture, so we'll have to go to Fujifilms tomorrow and get a booty film. We'll have to get them more printed. So. We came into Brennan's, into the heat. I got a coffee and a crepe. I got Nutella, strawberries and cream, but I think I lost all my cream through the bottom. It's like, as Kate said, it was like a 99 cone when you eat the end of the cone.
What are you?
Yeah. Come on, Gigi. Come on. She doesn't want to move. Oh, she's moving. Giddy up, giddy up. Come on, into bed now. Good girl. Now we'll give you one of these because you're being very good. I know I didn't give you and Jock them today. We'll give you more in the morning. Okay, Jock will get an extra one. No, good girl. Best girl. Good night. So guys, if you probably haven't been able to tell by my last clip with Gigi in it, I'm home now. I had a lovely evening. But right now I feel a bit tired. So I'm going to end the vlog here. But first, I gotta get my outfit ready for tomorrow for a course. I hope I feel better tomorrow. If I don't, then I'm sure I'll be okay by the weekend. I'm just glad that it came in the middle of the week and it didn't start on Monday. But I think when you feel a bit sickly at the beginning of the week, you don't feel like continuing on in the week. You just feel like lying in bed all day. So I'm just going to relax for the weekend, this weekend I think. So why am I looking in this press? I actually might wear this polo neck tomorrow, to be honest, just to keep me warm. Although I was having a lot of hot flushes today, but that could all change tomorrow. So I wear that with my leggings. And in this vlog for you guys. I hope you actually enjoyed it. It was lovely to see the Santa Claus truck, or the Coca Cola Santa truck, in Ballina this year, because it only passed through the town last year. So this year it actually stayed in the town and pulled up for the kids and for the adults to go and take a picture with it. We got a picture, but we got it in the form of an actual picture. It was printed, so I can't insert the picture, but I think you've seen it anyways. Kate held it up. So anyways, I'm going to end this vlog because I'm going to keep saying anyways. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you can't subscribe, I totally understand. Don't forget that I love you. Don't forget to keep positive. Merry Christmas, and I will see you in day 13 tomorrow. Goodbye. Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. Mwah.